All right, we have a head strap for your Oculus Quest now, your Quest 2. Now, I have glasses, so the one thing that I like about these head straps is that I can pull it out so I can put my glasses on, but also has a battery inside, so you can have a longer play. Let's take a look at what we've got with Yoga's head strap for your Oculus Quest 2. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery inside. There's an easy on-off design with the dial in the back. It's got a gravity balanced design, so it doesn't feel lopsided on your head. There's a size adjuster. It's rechargeable, and charging is 5 volts, 2 amps. So you can use a lot of different types of chargers to get this back up to 5,000 milliamps. So you can take it on a plane and watch movies. You have it in the hotel, have it somewhere where it's not normally plugged in, and you're good to go. All right, let's take a look at this and unbox it. So we'll go ahead and pop this open. And first thing we're going to talk about is the instructions. Got a set right here, and then of course the unit right here. Now this is interesting because not only does it come with the headset, we've got the headset, which should just fit. If we're going to do this, let's just make sure. So this is going to fit over the head like this. The 2 pads, like so, and we turn the dial in the back to adjust it. Let's see how far we can go right there. There we go. And then this strap is going to go onto the unit like so. And then these arms somehow will come down for the headset to set on. Let's take a look at it a little bit more here. So on the back here, this is the dial that will extend or contract the headset for you. We've got a battery indicator. We've got the power button right there. I think if I hold it down, yeah, there we go. We're at a full charge, which is great. And then on top, we have a USB-C plug area. And that's what this is right here. I guess I thought that was attached, but it was just on the Velcro. So USB-C to USB-C. This is most likely a charging cable than anything. So we have this. I thought this actually was the eyepiece, but this actually goes on the back of the head. So if it's going to go right here, it's on this piece right here where the battery is, the 5,000 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and place that on, push that in. So now it's extra padding, which is interesting. So let's go back. So my understanding is it comes like this. So now it's going to be probably even more comfortable once we get the VR headset on. Then we'll definitely taking off the old headset strap. Fairly easy. This one looks like a slide in, so we'll just go ahead and slide it into, and there we go, just like that. Top strap on, and we'll do this, we'll leave this as loose as possible because we'll tighten it up later. To get this down, as you can see, this looks a little bit weird. In fact, when I started to do this, I did this, and I put this on like so, and this is how it's supposed to go, and I wasn't sure, but apparently this does come down like so, and there is a bit of space in between the headset and that. Of course, it's also pulling down because I don't have this strap on properly. All right, we've got the strap on. Now we'll go ahead and put our eyepiece in. And there we go. Bring this back down like so. We'll put this on. There we go. All right, now I'm going to take this Velcro piece because it is pulling down a little bit and get this all lined up a little bit better. A little bit more adjusting. Tighten it up. And there it is. There we go. Now I can kind of see you and you can kind of see me. We won't do anything from here, but as you can see, it's fitting on and it is creating a bit of a seal. I can kind of see out of the bottom of my nose, which I normally was able to do on the other headsets. So I can go ahead and grab my controller now, and now I'm into my room. USB cable. Once again, this is probably just a charge cable, not a data cable. Keep that in mind. And then we'll plug in one end right here, usually where the Velcro goes, because the Velcro is probably going to wrap. You can also get some more Velcro and Velcro this up, and then put the other end in here, like that. And now it's on, so if I look in the headset, all right, there we go. Now we're recording. So let's go ahead and take a look at the battery right there. So look at that, we're at 92% and it is charging. And if I unplug back here, there we go. As you can see, I just unplugged it and the charge went away. So I gotta plug it back in, boom, now we're charging once again. Fairly comfortable. If you got hair, that might be a slight problem. But I can really set this down, tighten this up, and check this out. If I got this nice and tight, there we go. Then I can move my head around, bounce around, and it feels, wow, it feels pretty stable there. There I am in the mirror, right there. Oh, there's my hand. Hey, how's it going? So there we are, and that is the Yogis headset strap right here. Right here. If you normally have it plugged into a computer, you just basically pull out this cable right here, plug that into your computer, and then continue on. And then you can plug this into the wall and have this charge. But if you're on a plane, if you're at a hotel room or on a trip, then you have your headset close by so you can watch movies or play games or interact with friends, do whatever you want to do with your Quest 2. So taking it off, not that difficult, and the best part is since I have glasses, I'm not doing this and pulling them out that way. So the real question is, what do you have for your Quest 2? Let me know. Tell me in the comments. Go ahead, like, subscribe. If you're on YouTube, like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. I love that I can see my hands, especially in the mirror. So thanks a lot for watching. You guys geek out. Look at that. Geek out. How awesome is that? And until next time, and VR on with your VR goggles.